Let me tell you the most expensive sentence in the modern world. I'm not buying it. I'm saving money. That sentence has emptied more bank accounts than bad salaries ever did. Because most people don't overspend on dumb stuff. They overspend on smart deals. Congratulations, you didn't buy something. You bought a story. Meet Tom. Tom walks into a store for one thing. One, a pack of socks. He walks out with socks, 2 candles, a new water bottle, and a mystery snack he didn't even like. Total, $112. And Tom feels proud, because on the receipt it says, you saved $47. Congratulations, Tom. You just paid $112 to win a fake trophy. Here's the secret. A discount doesn't change what you need. It changes how your brain feels. A discount is not a price. It's a story. A story that whispers, buy now. Don't miss out. This is rare. And your brain loves one thing more than money. It loves the feeling of winning. Let's start with the oldest trick in the book. It's called anchoring. You see a jacket. It says $200 crossed out. Now $99. You don't feel like you're spending $99. You feel like you're saving $101. But here's the truth. If you weren't going to buy it at $200, then $200 was never real. It was just a fake before price. So the after price looks like a steal. They didn't lower the price. They raised your excitement. And then comes the most dangerous innovation of the decade. Buy now, pay later. You look at a $200 jacket. Your brain screams, too expensive. But then you see the little magic button, pay only $50 today. And suddenly, the pain disappears. They didn't make it cheaper. They made it invisible. Because when you break the price into small pieces, your brain stops seeing the total cost. You're not just buying a jacket. You're signing up for a subscription to your own debt. It's not affordable. It's just slower pain. Now let's talk about the most dangerous discount. Buy 2, get 1 free. It sounds like value, but it's a trap designed for one thing, to increase your cart size without you noticing. Because the question isn't, is it cheaper? The real question is, was I going to buy 3? If you only needed 1, then the other 2 aren't free. They're extra. And extra is expensive. Bundles don't save you money. They recruit you into buying more. Now meet the king of modern manipulation, AI pricing. In 2026, the deal you see on your screen isn't the same deal your neighbor sees. If the algorithm knows you hesitate at $100, it shows you $95. If it knows you buy instantly at night, it hits you with a push notification at 11 p.m. The algorithm knows the exact price point where you crack. It's not a sale. It's a precision strike on your dopamine. The price isn't based on value. It's based on your weakness. This one is pure evil. You're buying something online. Total, $43. Then you see the message. Spend $50 to get free shipping. And suddenly, you're adding random junk into your cart to avoid paying $7 shipping. So you spend $12 more to save $7. And your brain goes, nice, smart move. No, Tom, that's not a win. That's how stores turn you into a math glitch. Free shipping is never free. You paid for it with extra stuff. And finally, the most seductive trap of all, cash back. Americans are obsessed with points. I bought this TV because I get 5% cash back. Okay, let's do the math. You spent $1,000 to get $50 back. You are still minus $950. Getting cash back on something you didn't need isn't making money. It's the store giving you back a tiny slice of the extra money you just handed them. Don't step over dollars to pick up pennies. So how do you win? Here are Piggy's rules. Rule number 1, the discount test. If it's 50% off, ask one question. Would I buy this at full price? If the answer is no, then it's not a deal. It's bait. Rule number 2, the cart pause. Before checkout, wait 10 minutes. If you still want it after the dopamine fades, fine. If you forget about it, you didn't want it. Your brain wanted the hit. Rule number 3, never buy for the discount. Buy for the life you actually live, not for a fantasy version of you that drinks green juice, journals daily, and suddenly becomes a marathon runner. Discounts sell you a future identity. Your closet pays the bill. The biggest lie isn't inflation. The biggest lie isn't debt. It's the idea that spending money can be called saving just because the number is red. A discount should never decide your purchase. Your needs decide your purchase. And if you want to be rich, don't chase deals, chase control. I'm Piggy, and the secret is out. Use it.